Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will explore Power Apps control properties like visibility, size, and more. If I click on the insert drop down, so from here we can insert several controls such as text label, edit form, and so on. Like if I insert a button, so button is visible here, and this button is just Canva control that I can drag and drop anywhere. And I want all the control in the app have properties. So from here, you can see the properties pane in the right hand side. Like the first property called is text. That is inside this button. And if I can change it like it says the confirm, so then it will reflect in the button visual. Now I want to show you how when I click on the confirm button, we can navigate to a new screen using the onSelect property. First add a new screen. The screen has been added here. Now go back to the screen 1, select this button and then select the onSelect property. Add the following formula, navigate, start the bracket, select the screen 3. Now preview the app. When I click on the confirm button, it navigate to the new screen. Again, if I select the button and change the display mode to disabled, I can no longer click on it. Again select the button and change the display mode to view. I can only view the button and cannot interact with it. Now go back and we have the visible property. So in this case, it is a boolean it means it can be true or false. And if I toggle off, so the button will disappear. So it is still here but hidden. And if you again click on, now we can see position, size and padding. Position means the X and Y coordinate of the button. In this case, the button is inside its parent container, which is the canvas. Button is visible here. Like for example, a 153 pixel to the X position and 18 from the top of the bottom, that means of the Y position. Like if I drag here, so we can see the update in the position. So just click and resize and I can type the formula here. And we can also the width and the height here. Like I am putting the same width and same height here. Now move to the padding. So that are the spaces between the border and the content inside it. So if I can put 40 of the left, so that I can see the text goes to the right because I added some padding here. Now you can change the color from here. If you are not seeing the same properties as I am here, it means you are using a different button. Power App has introduced modern control and in some environment they appear by default, while in others you need to turn them on or off. In my previous video, I already explained how to enable modern control. Now let's move on the border radius. If I set the border radius is 250, for example, I get a rounded button. Then if I set the same dimension 150 by 150, we end up with a perfectly rounded button. Like if I have a insert a different control, for example, go to the insert drop down and then go to the media and then click on image control from here. So that is used to show a image and it has a different properties. So on the right hand side, go to the image, click on drop down. So I can select the image from the stock here and I can upload the image. So I can select stock image. Now let's select this one from the stock image and then click on insert, it will be inserted into the app. Then we will set it as the image property of this image control. After that, we can see how the other properties behave. Like for example, we have the image position that can be center, fill, fit, stretch, tile. If you want, so you can change it from here. Now again change to fit. Now we have the transparency and that can go from 0 to 1. Like we have put 0.3. So we have a kind of transparent image. Now again change transparency as 0. And in the properties pane, we have the advanced tab. So where we can find other properties. Like we have action properties that we can use to put actions such as navigating to other pages and showing a notification, editing a record. Like we have the data properties that are the text, images and the data information. We have also style properties. So that are basically the colors and the things related to the visuals. One more way that you can find properties here. So on the top of left, click on drop down with the control selected. So we can see all the properties in here. For example, click on button and that we have a text properties. So that says confirm. Like I want to add here confirm done. So it is reflected in the button and also reflect here in the right pane. So you can change the properties from here and here also. I am editing a text from here in the properties pane. So I would like to have more spacing. Like if I click here in the label, so this will take me to this formula bar that's here and I can continue my formula here from the formula bar. And if you want to change the color, so you can click on label. So directly it take you to the formula bar. So in this video we covered control properties in Power App, Canvas app in Dynamics 365 CE. Thanks for watching.